Hi, good afternoon. I am Krishnavini from KL. I would like to share my testimonial on my period pain. Past 33 years, I was having a period pain, and I attended a first PVH workshop in December 2017. I've been suffering for this period pain for 33 years, since age 12 actually. So I have lost job because when I have my period pain, I can't go to work. I have to take either medical leave or annual leave, to rest. So this was the issue. I was going to through past 33 years, and I have seek for medical help as well, but the doctor only advised me to the doctor only advised, say it's a premenopause symptom, so I can only go on painkillers. Nothing else can be done. As a woman, I have to go through all this, because I'm born as a woman. And as a Hindu, I'm a Hindu, and as a Hindu, I've been praying to all the lady gods, um, and all the gods that I know, and which has been practicing in my home since I was small kid, which we have until now. But none of the gods actually helped me. I've been to temples, so many temples I can name it, from North Malaysia to until to Johor. My mom used to take a whole bus of people to go to temple, but none of the temples helped me to heal my period pain, um, until I went to PVH. So as a Hindu person, and as a Hindu lady, when you have a period, you can't go to the temple. So how do you expect we get healed at that time? So who is actually going to help us? So why why they stop us to go to temple at the most important time, and anyway they can't help us also. So but when I came into PVH, the first workshop itself stopped my period pain. So what you expect me to do? You want me to stop PVH because it helped me, and just because I'm a Hindu I shouldn't practice PVH? I think PVH has helped a lot of women around the world by healing their period pain itself. Another problem which I had, when I was 14 years old, I started to go into trance. I think you all know what is trance, right? If you don't know, I can tell it in Tamil. Sami aadurdu. Okay. Whenever I go to certain temples, I will go into trance. I'll be screaming, I'll be shouting, I'll be twisting my whole body, all these kind of things. I'm sure you all have seen that. So when I went to temples and I looked for the priest to help me, to guide me, none of them can do it. None of them have stopped it. And I even go and look for Bomo. The people who practice tantrics, shamans. Yes. So even they can't help me. And in my understanding, I have killed 2 Bomos, because when they healed me, actually they died. So I'm not sure. So when this kind of situation happens, who you will go to, who you will refer to? And this issue stopped when I came to PVH, and the thing which was helping me was the affirmations and this badge. I started to wear this badge 24/7, and it started to protect me, and I don't have the soul attachment problem at all. Even I know how to handle it, and they come to me not to torture me like previously. They know that I can help them to show the divine light. They trusted me. In that, they come to me. It's just because y'all can't see or can't feel the pain, that doesn't mean it does not exist. As a man, y'all never been through what is period pain, and y'all never will know what is a period pain. Have y'all ever asked your mother or your siblings, your sisters, or your girlfriends, anybody, about the period pain? Did you all try to understand actually what is that? The guys who doesn't know, please don't simply say something, especially about PVH and how PVH is helping us. All this while we were looking for something like this, which is simple, which can help us and guide us accordingly. This is how we get cured. Don't simply throw comments saying that PVH is a bad thing, all that. If you don't know to differentiate your personal problem, don't say that generally, don't pinpoint generally on PVH. It is not correct. You should understand the procedure, the protocol of PVH before say something. I would like to take this opportunity to really to thank sir, because if without you, I'm not sure, sir, where I will be now today. Seriously, I can't imagine without PVH my life now. So thanks a lot, sir, and thanks to the God to show us you and make you as our guidance. To the people outside of PVH, you can simply comment anything. It's your mouth, it's your mind, it's your wish. But don't say it is wrong and you don't have any rights. Again, sir, I will take this opportunity to thank you to show us this PVH, and we will definitely follow PVH. And God, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the badge, for the affirmation, for the wand, especially our pink wand. None of the women none of the women in PVH without the pink wand, especially. Thanks a lot, sir.